CJM Farms. Just bugging. I'm just doing some Briggs and Stratton work here. Beautiful cord, you know. It had its last life, so finally need a tool and I don't have it. Yeah, we're back. Anyways, got some needle nose pliers. Just pulling out this cord. I don't know if you can see it. It just comes out like this. I did have to cut the rivets off here, and I ended up just getting some screws so I can put it back down. But yeah, I had to empty all the gas out of it because there was some water in the tank. I'm like, oh my, lawnmowers, there's a lot to look after, especially when, well, you get them for free, so you can't complain. But yeah. So anyways, I'm just replacing the cord here. Got like a $5 kit here. Comes with the cord. Comes with the actual pull cord and everything. It's kind of cool. I'm just showing you guys, I don't know, I guess how I do it. But yeah, you just gotta feed it in there. Oh, bugs! They're still here. Mosquitoes. It rained yesterday. Oh, by the way, Carmela, come over here for a second. We got to do something because it's such a beautiful weekend. What is it all about this weekend?
It's Canada Day.
Yeah. Carmela's coming in the picture. Can you see her? Oh, there
I'm in there.
Go. There you are. See, we're on the new deck side. The other deck side, I'm going to show you it later. But what do you have to say? We'll just say it all at once. 1, 2, 3. Happy Canada Day. Rocking it from us to you. And if you're not Canadian, you just got to say, hey. Anyways, happy Canada Day from me and Carmela from the cottage. I'm going to show you a couple more good shows. Well, I guess I had the camera this morning, but then I started working. Oh, that sun just came out. I'm like, oh, it goes from 17 Celsius out to, is it Celsius?
Yeah.
Yeah, 17 Celsius to I don't know, I'd say probably 26 Celsius within seconds. Sun comes out, you're roasted. I'm going to start sweating here. Anyways, I just put a little knot here. Why you let me go? Let's just pull it until it's all the way in here. And make sure it's tight. And I can cut off that end. So I know it's tight. Then I just let the clip out. That's the whole thing. You keep the whole thing in here because you know how many times, and I learned this a long time ago, that if you don't keep these screws in here and the spring goes, pretty much you're just going to get a new one of these because it's just crazy to actually rewound it up. Anyways, and that's from the dollar store, a good old clip. And just let it go. So it goes nice and soft. And then, yeah. I got to put this back on the lawnmower, so I'll be back in a second. And we're back. Anyways, I've already rewound this back up. I'm just literally going to put this on where it is. Run the cord all the way back up to here. I don't know if you can see me. Oh, wait a second. Bring you right in here. Let me, right there. Ha-ha! And then, oh, I can't see myself anymore. Ha-ha! There we can see it again. Anyways, I just feed it through here. I guess I'm gonna go over here. Oh. Do, 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 do. I'm singing the song. And I'm gonna put these in first because I want it nice and taut. I had to kind of jimmy rig some stuff today because, you know, I didn't have the proper screws for it. But next time I come up, I'll get her all done. Oh, mosquito. Just tighten those up. This is all fun. I just figured all I did was clean out the carburetor over here, and yeah, just cleaned it out and put in some new gas, check the spark plug, and put this together like that. Ah, my skeeter. Anyways. Pull that. Ooh. Anyways. So pull it to around there. Nice knot in it. Oh, my skater! I'm gonna get my gives it a little bit of slack still. We'll get back out of the picture here. Put that in there, pull that back, bam, that is finished. And I just want to show you how good she's working. Anyways. No! That did not just happen. Anyways, that's been the Jeremy Show.